Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, good morning, everybody. Today is the second meeting. We are going to discuss about the material in the literature English, the English literature of the 12th class. Today we are going to discuss about the preposition. Well, what is preposition? Preposition is words used to link noun, pronoun, or prefix to other words within a sentence. Prepositions are usually short words and they are normally placed directly in front of the noun. In some cases, you will find the preposition in front of the gerund verb. Well, I would like give you some example of preposition. Pay attention here. Here some example of commonly used preposition. Example: about, long, beside, for, to, with, above, behind, between, from, opposite, towards, within, cross, below, down, in, out, under, without, after, beneath, during, off, outside, underneath, giant, beside, except, on, till, until. Both of them are preposition. Well, a preposition precedes. Prepositions don't stand alone. They work in a group of words that we call preposition of precedes. It means that preposition precedes not one word, but combination two more words. Preposition phrases begin with a preposition and end with called object of preposition. Okay. Well, pay attention the example here. Example of preposition precedes. The sentence: after several minutes, we located in the key for the door. Okay. Let us we analyze together. After here as preposition, minutes object of preposition, and then for preposition, the door object of preposition. Then after several minutes as preposition precedes, and then for the door also prepositional precedes. It means that prepositional precedes consists of one more word. The example next: the flock of Chinese swallows flew over the trees. Okay, the word of as preposition, and then swallows object, over preposition, trees object, preposition, and leg of preposition. So based on the example here of Chinese swallows, prepositional of precedes, and then over the trees, prepositional of precedes, in leg of object. It is the example of prepositional precedes. Okay, I would like to repeat that prepositional of precedes consists of one more word or noun. Okay, and then the type of preposition. There are three types of preposition, including time preposition, place preposition and direction preposition. Okay, we discuss one by one first. Time preposition are those such as before, after, during, and until. And then place preposition are those include such as, around, between, giant. And next, direction preposition are those indicative of direction, such as cross, up, and down. Each type of preposition is important. Okay, well, preposition exercises. The following exercises will help you gain greater understanding about how preposition work. Choose the best answer to complete the sentence here. Example number 1. The bone was blah 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 the dog. The option bought for after. Of course, the best choice is 4. Next, number 2. We are going on vacation blah 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 a course. On, at, in. Best choice is point C. Okay, next. Please put fast blah 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 table. The best choice in preposition on the table. Okay. The next exercise. I receive present blah 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 Chinet from, of, by. The best choice is from. And then school begin blah 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 Monday. In, at, on. The best choice is on Monday. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, today we discussing about preposition. Preposition in Indonesian language is kata depan, and prepositional phrases is gabungan kata depan. I think that's enough. I help you to understand our discussion today. If you have many mistakes, if you don't understand, okay, you can send your problem, send and come up to me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.